Hey folks at home, I just wanted to show some of the materials that we're going to be using Thursday and Friday to kind of help you if you haven't already picked up some of your materials and stuff like that. So some of the things that you're going to need is a small test tube. Now I have these sort of standard test tubes right here. If you don't have anything like this, any sort of small sealable vial would work. Now, if you do want to do test tubes, you can get some in different varieties. I have some right here, for example. These are even smaller. These have a little screw top that I can put a lid on. You can get some of those. Some test tubes or vials like that you can get. I went online and I looked. Hobby Lobby and Michael's, craft stores like that have some. Walmart supposedly. Pool supply stores also. Plastic, you can get plastic ones, especially in water test kits. You can get little plastic vials. So basically something small and sealable that you can put in there. This is about 15 milliliters, I think is what I have listed. So if you want to have something about this size, about the width of a marker, a little bit shorter than that. Some other things that you want to have is you want to have medicine droppers. Now we're using disposable pipettes like this, and I believe you can get some of these. They're pretty easy to get. Or if you just have regular medicine droppers, like you can get those, you can get at H-E-B, Walmart, Target. Go and look at the baby section where the medicine is. You can get some of those. Now you're going to want 3 because of the different substances that we're using. You don't want cross-contamination and stuff with the different chemicals and stuff we're using. For y'all at home, y'all are using rubbing alcohol. This is 91% alcohol. You want to try to get it as strong as you can. 91, 99 would be even better. 70 works. We'll just have to sort of play around with basically how long the stuff sits mixed together to make the DNA precipitate out. You also want some sort of container to hold the test tubes. Now I have test tube racks. I don't expect y'all to have those. So if you don't, that's fine. But a cup would work. Something if you've got like a little jar, vase, pencil holder, anything like that, because there's one point you're gonna have to let everything sit, sort of cook for about 15 minutes, and you want that to be upright. Because you don't want them to mix, you also don't want it to spill. Let's see. Dish soap, standard dish soap is fine, like Dawn, Palmolive, H-E-B brand, whatever. So you want the liquid dish soap to make your cell detergent. What else? Little disposable cups like you get at the pharmacy that you put in your bathroom, okay? Paper ones, actually, my recommendation, get the paper ones. Those work a little bit better because you can actually fold the tip and make like a little funnel, sort of pouring lip. It helps pouring into this teeny tiny little surface a lot easier. So get yourself some disposable cups. You only need one. Get a sports drink, Gatorade, Powerade, whatever. You can get away with making a salt water solution, kind of similar if you've ever had a sore throat. Maybe somebody in your family has told you to gargle salt water. You can do that too. That tastes gross. Plus, if everything goes well and your DNA comes out, it turns the color of the sports drink that you use. Blue and red work really well. Plus, it's got some of the salt to help dissolve all that stuff, sort of dissolve, so you can get at the DNA and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know between Thursday and Friday. I have a feeling most of the people who are going to be watching this will be Friday, so you've got a little bit of time to work on some of this stuff. You can do Amazon, especially if you've got Prime. Sometimes that stuff comes in pretty quick. If not, like I said, pool supply stores, the biggest thing is the vials. Pool supply stores, art supply stores supposedly have them. Walmart supposedly has them. So check those places. And then if you have any questions, let me know. On the day of the lab, I will have a video walking you through that. So if you're not able to join us live, I'll have something that'll sort of walk you through it in the procedure that you're going to be using, showing you some of the stuff that you would expect to see and stuff like that. So be on the lookout for that one. And if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know.